Okay guys, just a very quick one on the LayerEdge airdrop. All right, so if up till now you haven't done your proof of humanity verification on your LayerEdge account, then two things could be a reason. It is either you are where you are getting wrong information or getting information very late, or maybe you just don't care, because immediately the proof of humanity kicked off on the LayerEdge airdrop, I immediately ran through so many tests, and finally I was able to find a way that users who are maybe using mobile devices or even laptop can actually go through the verification processes seamlessly and very easily. So one thing that I needed to take note of right here is that before you can be able to access this website freely, you need to use VPN. All right, so over here right now you can see I am using my Windscript VPN to be able to access this website, because I think the website is very, the traffic is too high and a lot of people can't access it. But to be able to access it, make sure your VPN is turned on. And to be able to verify your account, I have made a full video guide that we're gonna be helping you verify your account. This is the video right here. You can see I made the video 5 days ago. Simply go ahead and click on our channel to actually search for this video. I uploaded it 5 days ago. Watch this video. This video is going to be guiding you verify your account very easily, seamlessly, and way easier than you don't even expect. But make sure you are using your VPN throughout the process. All right, so right now go ahead and verify your account, because if you do not verify your proof of humanity, if you don't do your proof of humanity verification, then you are definitely not going to be qualifying for the airdrop. Because coming over here, according to the roadmap, you can see that we have gone through all this right here. Right now we are at the stage of proof of humanity verification. After this proof of humanity, then we are going to the mainnet. Now what happens at the mainnet? At the mainnet, we are expected to see TGE announcements and listing on several top tier exchanges. Like I'm expecting them to list on Binance, honestly, but nobody really knows. All right, but they are expected to list on Binance. But some other exchanges lower than Binance are definitely going to be listing the LayerEdge airdrop. All right, so one thing I needed to know right here is that this airdrop is definitely going to cool, because according to the reports from ZK Pass, you can see that up to 95 million verification requests were provided by users. And over here you can see we have the attestation generated to be 1 million right here. But what blew my mind is that only verified user that we have currently is 300,000 plus. Now what does this mean? What it means is that if the number of verified users are very little like this, then the token is expected to list at a very good price, since the number of people who are going to be getting the token for free are very low. And the fewer the better. That's just it. All right, so because we have all this well detailed right here, then this is another reason why you must insist and make sure that you pass your proof of humanity verification before the deadline. You literally have less than 24 hours to do the verification before you miss out on this. So I believe this video was helpful in one way or the other. So go ahead right now and follow this that I just mentioned right now. First, make sure your VPN is turned on. Secondly, make sure that you go ahead and watch the video that I've directed you guys to go and watch. I will be trying to leave the link to the video right there on the video description box. So make sure you watch this video and finally verify your account seamlessly. So if you keep on getting an error message, relax, calm down, keep on doing it until you pass. Because even before I was able to verify my own account, trust me, I went through hell. All right, you can come right here to the bottom. Okay, so come right here to the bottom. You can see we have on-chain verification, but this verification is only going to be done by people who were unable to achieve even one attestation. That is users who were not able to verify any of these exchanges listed right here. You can come over here and do the on-chain verification. All right, but one thing about this on-chain verification is that it is going to be costing you a little fee, definitely lower than 1 USDT. It is going to be done on that base network. All right, so right now everything has been made very easy for you. Go right now, verify your account, and wait until we have the next announcement from the LayerEdge team telling us probably about their listing or their preparation for the listing on several top tier exchanges. So this is the piece of information that I have to pass right now to help some of you get through this, and I hope the video was helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, please kindly go ahead and like this video. If you find it helpful, go ahead and also subscribe. We are heading to 10,000 subscribers. All right, so thank you for watching, guys, and I'll speak to you guys on the next video dropping very soon.